Hello there, welcome to GVK Yoga in the campus of GVK MRI at Yoga Point of GVK Vidyanilaya. Beloved friends, you will be very astonished to know that yoga has such a great impact on the life of human being that by practicing yoga you can really enlighten yourself. And the greatest personality on earth, having the greatest yogi, all the scientists, all the inventors, poets, thinkers, philosophers, they were great yogis. And that's why the yoga point has been put in this GVK MRI. Because the participants are really very difficult job. They are tackling patients in emergency, cardiac arrest, snake bite, drowning, road accidents. So there is lot of stress and strain for the paramedics and doctors. So the director, Emergency Medicine Learning Center, one of the greatest expert in emergency management, Professor Ramana Rao, or you can say Dr. Ramana Rao, he conceived the idea of starting yoga in GVK MRI. That is his brainchild. You will be surprised to know that Dr. Ramana Rao is such a genius, such a creative person, such an imaginative person that he has a lot of ideas. And one idea can change the whole earth. And that great man has got bundles and bundles of ideas. This yoga instructions and practice in GVK MRI, his brilliant idea. And when I joined GVK MRI, being a student of Honorable Chairman of this company, Manavratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, he interacted with me and he discovered the wonderful achievements I have in my life. And as I have been a product of IIT Kharagpur, I have played a lot of games, tennis, swimming, cycling, shuttle, because the IITs are hubs for such kind of activities. Plenty. Thousands of acres of land in some square kilometers. So as I was a child, I used to study a lot, near about 12 to 14 or 18 hours a day. Because initially I was a football player, but I was tired, I can't devote too much time in my study. So I picked up yoga, I learned from some books. So the great man who is in my heart, he is only my Lord Krishna and Lord Rama. Krishna means Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy and Rama means Dr. Ramana Rao. These two people approved yoga training at GVK Vidyanilaya and GVK MRI as mandatory for every participant. You can see there are a lot of participants coming here regularly and they have to practice yoga. Because of pandemic, it is not that effective, but generally it is taught to everyone. And I tell you my own experience. When I joined IIT, I stopped practicing yoga and that has got very adverse effects in my life. My body becomes stiff. But once you practice yoga, your body is very supple, very flexible. Physically you become a wonderful person. But one thing is more. Yoga is not only physical, it is much more than physical. It is much more than physical because if you learn the definition of yoga, it is called Yoga Chit Vritti Nirodha. Yoga is the art and science of making your mind very disciplined, controlling and directing towards your specific goal in life. There are a lot of scientists coming here, a lot of doctors coming here, and I inspire them. That you don't worry. You are a great yogi because yoga means taking full possession of your mind, controlling and directing towards attaining the specific purpose of your life. One of the great yogi has been Honorable Prime Minister, the satellite man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and on his name we are honoring this as Abdul Kalam Stadium. Dear friends, so I was focusing on the very importance and significance of yoga in our GVK Maharaj. So, dear friends, it is the ingenious idea. It is the great Dr. Ramana Rao who really introduced yoga in this GVK Maharaj, and I am the maximum beneficiary out of it. Because, dear friends, I practice yoga regularly and I train my people. So, as I was talking to you, yoga is basically controlling your mind, training your mind, and educating your mind to have peace, happiness, joy, serenity, calmness. And these are the lessons I am giving to everyone else. You can see what is the wonderful place here. Manav Ratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy is dedicated, committed, philanthropically, along with his team. And Dr. Ramana Rao is the heart and soul of Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, because one mole cannot hold the mountain. He needs a wonderful team. Dr. Ramana Rao is a force to reckon with. Honest man, sincere man, committed, dedicated with full measure of devotion and passion to really give the best training to the participants in this GVK Maharaj campus. This is operating in different states in India. It has done a lot of work in Sri Lanka also. But the whole inspiration has been Dr. Ramana Rao. He knows that there has to be a passion, there has to be a full measure of devotion to do some useful service to the mankind. The basic purpose of life is just not to live for yourself, but acquire knowledge, ability, capability, whatever you can do. That is skill development. And then you dedicate yourself, commit yourself to save the suffering humanity. What I was talking to you, I am very much grateful to Dr. Ramana Rao. Because of him, I started practicing yoga and training thousands and thousands of participants of the GVK Maharaj. That has given me maximum benefit. Now I am speaking with a lot of confidence, a lot of force, and I want to make it very effective. That is the impact of yoga. I have just completed my yoga session. There is a yoga point there, and then I got energy, enthusiasm, positive ideas start flowing. Because the fundamentals of Patanjali Yoga Sutra is yama. You have to saturate your mind by meditation, non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing, controlling your sexual energy, being non-possessive. Niyama, you have to be very contented. That is called santosha. Then swacha, you have to be very clean, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. You have to be very, very clean. That is the purity of thought, what I have told you. Truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence. Kindness, compassion. That is, we are putting our mind by meditation. And dear friends, then called tapasa, perseverance. Anything on earth can be attained when we are persevering, persisting, perspiring, patiently, then only we are going to attain some great thing in our life. You all come from yoga, my friends. That's why, time and again, I really express my gratitude and my full devotion to Dr. Ramana Rao. But for him, yoga could not be here. Yoga point could not be here. It was approved by Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, but the brainchild of Dr. Ramana Rao, and the maximum beneficiary, myself. Because you know, the necessity is the mother of invention. I play tennis, I do jogging, I do a lot more exercise, cycling, etc., etc. But I have given less importance to yoga. But once it became my duty to impart training, I never want to be a jack of all trades, I want to be a master. And as I am a master already, I revived, and And as all of your doctors, you know, disuse a trophy. What you don't use, that you lose. So I have really lost some of the touch of yoga. I can do toughest postures. Mayurasana, Sirsasana, Chakrasana, Sarvangasana. There is not even a single posture what I cannot perform. Bhujangasana, Surya Namaskar-asana. But everything is practice. Practice only makes perfection. So I don't like to make the video very big, but remember, yoga is basically training your mind, and training your mind for peace, happiness, joy. Yoga makes your body very strong, and it makes your mind very well disciplined, because you are programming the mind with noble thoughts. That is truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence by meditation. Meditation is dwelling on a particular point repeatedly. That is called reaffirmation, or also you can say auto-suggestion. So my mind is fully saturated. I am an ordinary person, not known to the world, I can tell you. I can tell you, and what my most respected guide and guru, Dr. Ramana Rao, say, 20% Buddha and Vivekananda. He can understand, friend. He has a vision like X-rays. He can take the mapping of your brain. Such a great man. And it is because of yoga. I know the meaning of life. Meaning of life, to live happily, live in perfect peace of mind. And all these are only possible once we control our thought. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thought. With our thought we make the world. That is yoga. And thought, and only thought. The man is literally what he thinks. His character being the complete sum of his thoughts. We are the master of our thought. We are the molder of our life, and we are creator and shaper of our character, destiny, circumstances. Everything originates from our thought. So yoga is a teaching of wonderful thoughts. We are programming our mind by dhyana and dharana, what is called meditation, these noble thoughts. Patanjali Yoga Sutra has 195 aphorisms, but only 3 are for physical. Physical can be only cattle. Anybody can be very strong, but unless the mind is programmed, mind is trained, educated, intelligently organized in a systematic way, following the path of truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence, you cannot be Buddha and Vivekananda. There cannot be world peace. There cannot be kindness, compassion. There cannot be philanthropic attitude, what my great guru, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy and Dr. Ramana Rao possess. This is the impact of yoga. Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir, and Director, Dr. Ramana Rao. I am very much obliged to you. You don't give me anything, but your guidance and your instructions and your ideas, they are the treasure of my life. I thank you and I bow to you. I salute you, Honorable Great Rama and Krishna. Thank you.